Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. Today we will initiate a new section which is related to surface editing. So in this section we will have two sessions regarding surface editing and then two sessions regarding surface analysis. You can find this supporting file along with this video tutorial. So here you can access this surface. Once you select the surface, you can go to the surface properties. Under the information tab, you can give any specific name. We will try not to use this surface for future sessions because this is just for surface editing purpose. So we are giving the name surface for editing. Similarly, we can give a description like this surface is for editing purpose only. Here we have a wide range of surface styles. From here, we can choose contours and triangles. Now we can create a copy. Under Information tab, we can give a specific name, like triangles and points. Similarly, we can add the description like points and triangle surface style. We can give the author name like created by Olagio. Now, we have this entire range of different tabs. However, we are interested in points and triangles only. So under points, we have three different options for point display mode. We will use the use surface elevation only. For the point size scaling method, we will use the absolute units and we can give it 1 as the unit. Then we have different options for the point symbols. This is for the data point symbol. We will choose this plus sign. Let's go with the bilayer colors. Similarly, for the derived points, we can use this 34 number symbol and use the same color as layer. And for the non-destructive point symbols, we can choose this 66 and leave the color by layer only. Under the triangles tab, again we have few options to triangle display mode, but we'll go with by default. Make sure that triangle and points are turned on and are visible. We can turn off major and minor contours. Once we hit apply, you can see the changes in overall surface. Now let's go to the surface properties again. Here we have the options for definition, analysis, and statistics. So let's start editing. For that, we have to go to the edit surface. Here we have different options like adding lines, removing lines. So first, if we want to add a line, all we need to do is select one endpoint and then select the other endpoint. And here you go. A new line has been created. Similarly, you can select this point. Make sure that you choose a specific point other than the one that is already being generated. See, in this way, there would be no addition. Now we can delete a line. All we need to do is simply select one or multiple lines that are unnecessary and press the Enter key from the keyboard. Here you can see these are outside the region and are unnecessary, so we can simply select them like this and hit the Enter button to delete them. Now I will undo it and go back to see a few more options. Under Edit Surfaces, we have the Swap Edge option. There are a few lines that cannot be swapped. However, the others can be done. In this way, you can swap the lines. Then we have the add point options. All we need to do is simply left click one time anywhere that we want to add a point. Then we have to give an elevation. If we want to get automatically computed elevation, simply press the enter key. If you see, there is written new elevation and it is showing 109.56. So you can either go with that one or you can simply press another elevation that you want. Then we have the option for delete point. All we need to do is select a specific point and hit the enter key. And here you go. The point has been deleted. Next we have the option for the modifications. Simply select a point and press the enter key. Now it will ask to enter a new elevation. And here you can give another elevation that you want and it would be modified like this. Then we have the option to move the point. So all we need to do is specify the point to move, like from there to here. And that's all done. So these were the few manual points and lines editing. However, there are few automated options as well, but we will see them in the next session. Now we will save this file as lecture number 31. Once the file is saved successfully, we can simply close it. So this was all about the editing surfaces part 1. We will proceed with the second part in the next session. Let's call it a day. See you in the other session. Till then, take care.